How to lock or unlock your Bank of America debit card. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Now type in Bank of America login and search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Click on the very first one, Online Banking Login. Open it. In order to lock or unlock your debit card, first you will need to log into your account. So you will be directed to the login page. From here, you can easily log into your account. Bank of America is one of the world's leading financial institutions, serving individuals, small and middle market businesses, large corporations, and government with a full range of banking, investment management, and other financial and risk management products and services. So over here, type in your user ID and then type in the password. Once you type in this, click on the option of login. With that, you will be logged into your account. Once you log into your account, you will land to the home page, and at the top left, you will find the option of menu. Click on it. After you land to the menu page, over there you will find different options. Head towards the option of manage debit card. Click on it. With that, you will get the option lock or unlock. If you want to lock, select the option of lock. If you want to unlock your debit card, select the option of unlock. After you select it, you have to verify your identity. So you will be getting code in your phone number that is linked with your account. You have to type in that code for the verification process, and with that your debit card will be locked or unlocked. So this way you can easily lock or unlock your Bank of America debit card. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.